402, I got that gate going now, so if you want to tell hey, Dirty Diaper how much you love him and all like that, you can go ahead and do it now. 402-21, Dirty Diaper gone. Roger, I got you in there, man, no doubt about it. I hope it'll come out as good as you sound. I don't think it could sound any better unless I was standing right there by you listening to you talk. Hey, 402, on that good station, 402-21, Dirty Diaper, reading on the mail.
Around that Manchester, Tennessee. Any of y'all on the radio today? Hell, cutter on the horns, waving.
Hello out there around the Big Horn. Hey, Big Horn, you in my radio, big time there. I hope you can get somebody up there around at Manchester, Tennessee. Dirty Diaper 21, South Kakalaki told you that. Brega, brega. I guess that station in Big Horn ain't got no condition on Dirty Diaper in the Carolinas. Dirty Diaper, back out.
718, 718.
I heard somebody coming back to Dirty Diaper there, something 32. I couldn't get the rest of it, man. It's rough out there on my ears. Come on.
Yeah, Roger, Dirty Diaper. What? And 32, Master Jack, great shakes.
Hey, Master Jack, sounding great, man. I was listening to you out there a while ago. Got this video gate going. I think I might have got you on the earlier one, just on the receive side there. You're sounding awful good here in South Carolina, about 20 miles from the coast over here. 21, Dirty Diaper told you that, and we back out.
Well, I appreciate it, man. You're sounding fine and coming in here in fine style out here in San Francisco there, Dirty Diaper.
All right, 932, Master Jack, have a good one. Appreciate the turkey wave. Hey, have a good one. 21, Dirty Diaper on the coast. I'm gone now. The diesel car, the Lone Star diesel car, 21, Kakalaki, Brigger.
Hey, Dirty Diaper. Dirty Diaper, I wanted to wave at you, man. 402, I'm trying.
Yeah, I got you. Come on.
I got me the one sitting right. I also got to clock on somebody else. I ain't you say 402.
Oh, I can say 402. I heard 402 calling Dirty Diaper. I sure did. I heard that diesel car out there in the Lone Star too. 402, I got you. Come on, let's go.
All right, man, I'll get out of the way while you rolling that gate. Go ahead and roll that gate. I'm going to listen to that audio in a few minutes, man, when you get it loose. Hey, I'll listen to the audio when you get it loose. Dirty Diaper. Unit 21, you're 402, I'm up.
Roger, Roger. Okay, man, I sure got it all because you said it all. 402-21, we reading the mail. How about around the Lone Star State and that diesel car, A21, Dirty Diaper, South Carolina, Brigger, Brigger.
The Lone Star diesel car, we cruise around the west side of the Big Horn. We don't get down up in there.
Lone Star diesel car, I'm going to try to get in your radio room. A Lone Star diesel car, 21, Dirty Diaper, 21, Dirty Diaper, Brigger, Brigger.
Talking to 932 Master Jet one more time from this Golden Gate. No doubt about it. That Dr. Kilowatt sounding grand on the band, no doubt about it.
I can't hear Dr. Kilowatt, no doubt. Hey, Dirty Diaper, I've got ear trouble, I'm gone.
Hey, look at him out.
Kilowatt, I'm going to try to get in there and see if I can get you. It's rough out there, man. Dr. Kilowatt, 21, Dirty Diaper. Dr. Kilowatt, 21, Dirty Diaper on the coast. Break. Hello, Jelly Belly. I heard you earlier out there, but I couldn't get back to you. Hey, Jelly Belly, 21, Dirty Diaper, waving. Come on. All right, Jelly Belly, condition changing all around there. 497's trying to get in there from New Mexico, and I'm going to get out the way. Hello to you if you can hear me out there. 497, 21, Dirty Diaper, waving. Gone now. If you want to key up now, get some audio time, man. Ain't not much on there. Come on.
Good morning, DX Land.
Great day, man. As soon as I said that to 402, everybody come in there. Somebody's calling Dirty Diaper. Try it one more time. Break. Hey, did you say pirate? Come on there, man. I tell you, they got 4 or 5 people in there. All of a sudden, there wasn't nobody in there, and I'm pretty sure I heard the pirate there. Break.
Try one last time, see if I can get through. What's going on? Cut your radio out Sunday. John Denver getting down.
I don't know if John Denver can hear Dirty Diaper, but I'm going to get ready to put up this gate and say hello to John Denver while I got a little more minute left on this video gate. Hello there, John Denver, San Diego, 21, Dirty Diaper on the Carolina coast. We gone now. I can hear you. I could hear you there. Come on. Great day in the morning. I'm going to have to go back and look at this video gate on YouTube and see who that is. Keep calling me. I just about time I can hear what you're saying. Somebody has got some other kind of noise coming in there. It makes it hard. I'm going to have to get me one of them old things that they're making now that helps out people with bad hearing there. All right, have a good one, this Dirty Diaper. With ear trouble, I'm gone. See, not only that, I got a ton of people in there. I heard you say you was standing by, and I got a ton of bleed over from 26, the big stations on 26. 21 in the Carolinas, reading the mail.
Hopefully you will find it in the Carolinas. Oh, that's a bad 200 watts.
String Bean, I'm going to let you go, man. 402, I got to put this thing on the video gate there. Up in video gate heaven, Dirty Diaper, we gone.
That's right.